Today we are going to take these parts that I ordered and complete some sets that need some completing. So I'm like 90% sure this is my fault. Black base, yellow, and then I had set aside a yellow base with a black toggle. So I'm like 90% sure that's my fault. And I just didn't order another one because I thought I had it. But otherwise, it's good. Let's see what else we can get up to today. Why is that falling? Okay. It's probably pretty easy. I think I've seen most of that. That's not worth putting together. I haven't seen anything for this architecture set. That is probably complete. Let me just go ahead and pull the manual. Oh, this one's gonna be easy. Let's do that one. We just had a Bricklink order pop up, so we'll pull that first. 42. Oh, getting stuck. Oh, can't do this one-handed. Hold on. That one. Okay, so you see drawers are overflowing. So I'm trying to get all the minifigures out of those larger drawers. Put them into these things. And I just have them labeled like friends of the YouTube channel, favorite cartoon characters, things like that. Oh, right on top. Great. And one more. This guy. Alright, let's get that packed up. Back to this. The reason why I picked this one is it's literally right there. Okay, it's looking good. Good, the spider web's in there, so that just means we gotta find the props probably, but we'll check the instructions just to make sure. We are missing one of these and one of these. We need one of these, one of these, and what's the likelihood that I have one of those just sitting around? Okay, I don't have any in my spare drawer, so I looked up the part number. This is everything currently in my Bricklink store, but we need a flat silver. I think if we need a flat silver. Yep, flat silver. Great. There it is. And then I need to just make sure I edit my Bricklink. Oh, I can't do this one-handed. Bricklink inventory. Oh, I did it. Gonna have to put a little bit of effort into finding that rat. Alright, well, digging around for the rat, couldn't find it, but the good news is I started finding stuff for this set here. I probably won't get to this set today, and I know where the majority of that set is. It's in that bin down there. So like I said, probably won't get to it today, but it was worth the dig to figure that out. Last thing I probably have time for today, although if I get through stuff I need to get through, I will certainly do more. If you've been following along, you know I've been looking for an orange motorcycle and I just cannot find it. So we're just going to throw in this red one. Everything else is here. Somebody will still pay for it. So it is okay. Something that's been preventing me from pursuing this one is this thing here, and I don't know why, but I've just been assuming that it's not in here, but I picked this up. I was like, oh, what's jiggling around in there? And sure enough, there it is. So I think we just need to find Ray's hair in her pack, and we should be good. Oh, no, got some doodads missing too. But that'll be okay. We'll find those. There we go. Shoot. There's a little more missing than I thought. What does that piece look like? That's going to be annoying to find. I don't know why I was so fortunate, but it was right there. So, okay. There we go. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Super fortunate that that stuff was easy to find. All right, I gotta run this stuff to the post office, and I figured let's just go in the thrift store while we're up there and see what happens. Well, that turned out to be far more productive than I thought it would. This thing right here, people pay $30 for it. I'm going to test it and see if it works. And these, people are paying $15 to $20 for these replacement parts for their thermoses. So 30, 60, 90, 120. Let's say we are going to make $100 once it's all said and done. We spent 20 on everything. And then I always need sorting trays. I feel like I'm always running out, so got a bunch of sorting trays. Interesting. So it kind of works, I guess. Volume has to be all the way up for the signal to come through. I don't know anything about wiring to know why that would happen. We'll just say 30 plus shipping or best offer and just describe what's going on. And then at $3, if somebody comes in low, I feel okay. And we have all this to make up for it. All right, let's go ahead and call it there. Thank y'all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed yourself. I hope you saw some cool Lego. I love building those old sets. I really enjoy building the new stuff too, but something about those old sets are just magic. Like they're not overly complex. It's more like simple blocky shapes made to look like something. I don't know. I'm rambling now. I'll catch y'all later. Have a good one.